Welcome back, YouTubers, gunners, subscribers. Today's the day, Trappy.
I'm excited.
Today's the day. Kobe is finally done, polished, finished. We're gonna go through the process with them. They're gonna bring it to the other side of the body shop, and they're gonna start doing the whole ceramic treatment and all that stuff to get this car fully prepared for the winter. Again, October 17th, this channel right here, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is the live drawing. 5 prizes. Let's start gunning. All right now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. So, all right, guys. Yep. All right, guys. All right. So, okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Oh my gosh, a different world. A different world, Trappy. So this is just compound, Zeus? So just compound, then we go to the other side, and then that's where the magic really goes. But yeah, but it's finally sanded, which is awesome. Yeah. Somebody's gonna be real happy with this, man. What is this again?
Like $20,000.
Just for that, if that breaks. That's crazy. $20,000.
Doesn't it have a thing that like if you try to like move it,
it
like
goes down,
back
right?
or
Yeah,
something?
yeah.
I'm pretty sure people tried to steal it.
Let me put it up. Yeah, if you put it up and you go and try to move it a little bit, it just sucks right down and it closes.
That before.
Fire.
It's insane. It's like a speed warning.
Is it 20? How much?
Like $25,000 for this grill.
25 grand for the grill.
Happy.
What's this machine do?
So this machine basically just cuts out kits for any car that we have in here. So whenever we want to clear film a car, you know, we can type in the year, make, model in here.
So for this one, you just put like 2011 R8. Look at this track.
Here we have 2011 Audi R8 V10 Spider, right? I want to cut out the bumper kit. Opens up the bumper. This is the rough shape of the bumper here. And I'm able to go into the software, for example, and I'm able to delete, you know, I don't want the reflectors cut out. I'm able to delete them. Wow. There you go, it's gone. I'm able to delete sensors. I delete everything because we get a general pre-cut in here, and then I have my guys just customize it. You know, I'll overlap it all around so we're able to, you know, tuck it all the way in so you don't see the edges, and they cut it by hand after that.
So if somebody wanted to delete this bumper sensor, that's what you would do.
Yep.
That's awesome.
Or some cars don't have the option, so.
Oh, even the headlight.
Even
that's
the headlights
sick.
get done. Because they got pebble chips, they get, you know.
Yeah, driving behind those big trucks.
And you see it in the headlight. You
Yeah,
always see it.
absolutely. Sick.
Insurance claims.
So this is where everything
Yeah, right
happens
there,
and where
that's-
people just eat
That's
all
what she
day.
eats every day.
So this is the place.
Lunchtime.
Is anybody gonna
You're
work
bothering
today?
us at lunchtime.
Then I work.
Wait, salad.
Salmon?
No, salad.
Oh,
Salad.
salad?
Salad.
You know salad don't belong on pizza.
No.
Jesus taught us to eat salad.
Oh man.
I'm trying to get us to eat healthy, so this is as close as we got.
Trappy!
We're going for a ride in the F12, Trappy.
Yeah, we out.
Yeah, let's do this.
Nah, this is something else, Trap. Spaceship.
It's like a bike, right?
Yeah.
See the way it revs. Put that window up so we can hear more of the car.
I don't even know
right
where.
here.
Nah, this is something else, Trap.
We stole the Ferrari. It tells you everything right here too for the passenger. That's so dope. Oh yeah, Trappy.
Oh, this thing goes,
Yeah,
Trap.
that wiggled a little bit, Trappy.
Yeah.
We'd have to sell a
unit.
lot of shirts to replace this, buddy.
Yeah. I'm going to fifth. I'm going in the fifth.
Go to fifth gear, bud. All right. Trappy, Trappy's out.
Nah, yo, this is a rocket. This is a rocket.
Trappy's out. Owners in.
How do I put it in park? How do I put it in park? Alright.
That should be it.
All right, now I put my seatbelt. Now driver X is in.
Got a purple tune on there. I gotta get rid of it.
Now the flaps opened up, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my God, this car is amazing. Oh my God, listen to this car. Oh my God, this car is amazing, man.
It's
Oh
insane.
my God, holy. It's like a Formula One
Yo,
car.
it's a bike, right?
Oh my God. Okay guys, so I'm back at the shop and I'm waiting for Kobe to show up now on the flatbed, and I can't wait to see this car. This is by far my greatest build ever. And what Enthusiast Auto Works did for me, what my brother Zeus did for me, what all the guys over there, Freddie towing the car, is unbelievable, man. Great set of gentlemen. I cannot wait to see it. If you follow me on Instagram, I went live with Zeus earlier, and they even detailed the mud flaps. They wiped underneath the side skirts. They went behind the bumper and cleaned all that yellow back there. So I know that the car is showing up here tip-top shape. They just FaceTimed me. They just told me that the car is on the way here. It gets put on the lift, and we wait for October 17th for the live drawing. I promised all of you guys, I promised all of my gunners, all of my subscribers, all of the participants in the giveaway, I will not drive this car no more. This car now belongs to one of you. I cannot wait. I cannot wait till it gets here. So let's wait for that part. I hear something. I hear it backing up. Don't tell me that's my boy. Oh, that's my boy. That's my boy. Oh my God, I am so nervous right now to see this car. Oh my God. Oh my God, you gotta see this car. Oh my God, they killed it. They killed it, Gunners. They killed it. My boy. Oh my goodness. Not one flaw, bro. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Yo, there's not one flaw in it.
Whoever wins this car is gonna be the luckiest person.
God, man. I'm sorry, guys. They literally cleaned every single thing. This is how the winner's gonna get it, Freddie. Just like
I
this.
just need the winner, if it's not me, to give me a ride.
That's it. Whoever wins this car, you owe Freddie a ride. Remember this vlog. Wow, man. I can't believe how well this car came out. Look at this body line. Yeah, you're right.
Bro.
The hood is crazy. How? Oh my God! Wow. You know, I knew it was gonna look good, like with the orange peel off, but I had no, like, not this good.
Not this
Like this
caliber.
camera, I feel so bad for the people watching. Like, look how it looks in the camera. That's not doing it
yeah,
no
that's
justice.
I can't
Oh
wait
my
till
God.
the gunner see it in person.
Yeah, I can't wait. Trappy just showed up. He was out running some errands. What do you got?
I'm speechless, bro.
I can't believe it.
Yo, is that your car?
Yeah.
Yo, that is fucking lit, man. I want you to know right now, that just made my day, bro.
God bless you.
That is fucking beautiful. Yo, bro. That is your child, bro.
It is.
That's not even a joke.
Name's Kobe.
Kobe?
Yeah. Kobe.
Yo, I swear, yo, you gotta post it. Yo, that's gotta get known, bro. 'Cause
Yes,
that's a
they
beautiful
gotta know what
tribute.
this car is, right?
Yo,
Yeah.
I'm telling you,
They
the
look great.
Lakers are gonna win if they see that shit.
Yeah.
All right. I don't know what else to say, man. I think we need to just soak this in a
man.
little bit.
Thank you to Enthusiasts.
Yeah, you guys killed it, man. Thank you so much, Enthusiast Auto Works, man. All their stuff will be in my description. Unbelievable place. They literally wiped under the side skirts. They did every piece on this car. Everything is flawless. We tried finding an imperfection. We tried finding all of that, and we cannot find it, man. All right, Trap, before we get out of here, open up that hood, because I saw them on the live start detailing under the hood. We took the velocity stack off, by the way, because of the water. There it is. Great job.
Amazing job.
Amazing job. They cleaned every part of this car. They polished every part of this car, Trappy.
Yeah, they did an incredible
I don't know what else to say, man. This video's kind of going to be a long one, pause, but good luck to the winner of this car. This is basically the last time you see it on the channel until we drop it off.
Dropping it off.
Yeah, the next time you see Kobe, you might see it in the background or something, but the next time this car gets featured is basically when we drop it off to one of you, man. We want to just tell you, we want to say this to everyone. Thank you for participating. Thank you for supporting the movement. Thank you for your loyalty, most importantly, man. Thank you so much for all your support throughout this entire build. Me and this man right here wrenched day in and day out in this little small garage, and this is the final product, man. I love you guys, man. Keep gunning.